on at a time when there's clear signs for the first time of a massive surge in the UK mutant strain of COVID in Punjab, the government has come out with an announcement which many felt could not have come a day earlier. All citizens above the age of 45 will now get the COVID vaccine from the 1st of April. Also, citizens can schedule their second doses from the 1st of April, which will be administered 4 to 8 weeks after the first dose. India crossed a landmark milestone in the COVID vaccination drive. More than 5 crore vaccine doses have been administered so far.
So from 1st of April, anybody who is over 45 age will get vaccination even though he has no comorbidities. उसके लिए उसे अब कोई दाखिला लाने की सर्टिफिकेट लाने की जरूरत नहीं है.
All those above 45 years old are now eligible for COVID vaccinations from the 1st of April. Chief ministers and corporate leaders have been pressing for this, given the rising second wave of infections and the sputtering economy.
आज निर्णय ये हुआ है. आपका सुझाव हमने सुना है.
सेफ तो महसूस हो गई. इतना ज़्यादा वर्ल्ड वाइज चल रहा है, ट्रैवलिंग की भी प्रॉब्लम्स आ रही हैं और अगर ये लग जाता है तो ट्रैवलिंग भी इजी हो जाएगी.
मेरे हिसाब से तो सबको वैक्सीनेशन लगानी चाहिए. तो हमारी बारी आएगी तो हम भी लेंगे. भले ही हम लोग ऑलरेडी अगर कोविड से हम लोग कर चुके हैं, निकल चुके हैं इस चीज़ से, बट जब टाइम आएगा हमें मिलेगा ऑफर तो हम करेंगे.
The move to open up vaccinations to those above 60 and some even younger, as well as letting more hospitals open vaccination centers, has resulted in a welcome spike in beneficiaries. In fact, more of the public have been vaccinated in 23 days than health and frontline workers in 65 days. But this may not be enough. Punjab's chief minister says 81% of 401 samples turned out to be the UK variant. The state has seen a massive surge in cases. Some experts say mutant strains are also likely to be behind Maharashtra's second wave. The state has been seeing a record number of cases. There are 795 total cases of UK, South Africa and Brazil variant in India. There have been 395 new cases in the last 5 days alone, out of which 326 are in Punjab.
So the basic characteristic of the UK variant, what we call as N501Y or B117, is that it spreads faster. So ever since it has emerged, people have found out that its R number is higher. That means it's actually spreading faster.
India ranks third globally in terms of total vaccinations. But in terms of vaccinations per 100 people, it is behind many countries like UAE, US, UK and Brazil. Today's decision is expected to boost India's vaccination pace. In New Delhi with camera person Ashwini Mehra, this is Sukirti Dwivedi for NDTV.